Hello, welcome back to Dabsky Dabs Family Channel. In this video, walk, hike with us around Tulabi Falls. Enjoy!
It's okay, it's okay. Where we go?
We go.
Diri siguro. Maybe this one. Ano yung mapa?
Paano mo kita na dito?
Wala.
Ang mapa?
Wala. Yung cellphone. Look at the trees, guys. Wow.
Hala po, ba agpuan dito.
Asa?
Pero di amo ko. Scented oil.
Are we in the right one way?
Ay.
Oh, this is our washroom.
Dito naman ang lake dito, di ba? So kami siguro.
About this one here.
Na.
Oh, this is a trail. This is a trail. Mag-hiking kami, guys. Look, guys.
Agoy, patuwa taga dag tubig.
Ano ang patadaan ito dahil?
Ha?
Lajo mo din eh.
Di ako gamay na tubig.
It's okay.
Ay, sinawa oh. Ang bato ba? Ay, ginigin. Ito lang ito yung sabi mo niya.
Ha?
Ito lang ito.
Pila? How are you guys?
Ikaw may how are you?
Okay lang kayo guys dyan? Okay guys. It's a sunny Saturday morning.
So hot.
Huh?
Hot.
Got your kwan. Jacket.
Ball.
Katong dito sa ubos siguro ang beach. Ito tayo dyan.
Siguro. Ha?
Kailangan dito ang beach, di ba? Ang... Tyler, come on. Video na ba? Ano ba ng camera ba? Di?
Oo.
I'm tired. This is how hot.
Ay, ginigin. Ito lang ito yung sabi mo niya.
Ha?
Ito lang ito.
Pila? How are you guys?
Ikaw may how are you?
Okay lang kayo guys dyan? So guys, it's a sunny Saturday morning.
I'm so hot.
Huh?
Just wrap it around. No. You're not going to be able to see it. Yeah. I can see Daddy. Really? I see Daddy. I'm sorry, too. Daddy, there's a fly on me. Daddy, you should have looked at the map.
Huh?
I just hear voices. Hello? Hello? What? 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 Mommy? No. Why?
Come on guys! I know we can do it! Come on!
Which way?
Over there.
The other day.
I'll go this time.
Shake. I'm just going to shake.
Since it rained, the rocks are slippery, so we
Where are we? I think this time we're gonna bring a ATV.
Huh?
ATV.
Oh yeah, an ATV. Isn't that kind of dangerous, to be honest?
Slowly. It's dangerous when you drive so fast.
So many ice creams, I'm gonna cry. I'm tired.
Slowly guys, slowly. Yep. I'm here. Ate, where are you? Ate, slowly. Walk slowly. I cannot see you anymore. Don't walk so fast.
Daddy, I have to go beside you. There's insects on me, Dad.
It's okay. This is insect squad territory.
I hate insects though.
We are so welcome to their place. So it's okay.
But they're mosquitoes. That's the thing. They're gonna eat me alive.
No, because
Like,
this is their place. Don't complain. Oh, mas ka ikaw rin.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is downhill. Huh? This is downhill. It's a downhill. They hold me. Wait. Hold me. Hold me. Oh, this is downhill. Oh my god.
Careful in here because it's something.
Careful, Tyler. Come back. Come back, come in. You want to imagine living in a bale.
Huh?
Are we up here? Whoa.
Slowly, guys. Come here. Come here.
Ate, careful ha. Umuod, dyan may pasakag eh.
Over here.
Pictures of the movie. This is the way?
Mama, don't you have to go up there? Wala, nice. Dali.
Oh, today.
Careful tayo ha.
Daddy. Daddy, oh my god, Daddy, Tyler.
Hold my hand. No, I'm gonna hold your hand.
Pwede ka dito, Agite.
I'm gonna hold your hand, Tatay, not holding my hand.
Daddy, careful si Tyler ha.
Jump. Relax.
Can we climb? I want to climb. No.
Ito sa Tyler River ka. Wala tayo. Let's go. Dali tayo. Dali tayo.
Daddy, the camera.
Yeah.
Hold on, wait for me.
Okay, ate.
Okay.
Where? Whoa. 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 Are you cold there or okay na? You're okay?
Ako ba yan na? Hindi na upstairs. 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 Upstairs.
That's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you'll get notified when the next video will come. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po. Daghang salamat.
Call mami.